Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Sequelize models and migrations in Node. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by creating a new Node.js project if you haven't already. Open your terminal and run npm init to generate a package.json file. Next, install Sequelize and the database driver you will be using. For example, if you're using PostgreSQL, run npm install Sequelize pgstore. If you're using MySQL, run npm install Sequelize MySQL 2. Once the installation is complete, create a new folder named model. Inside the models folder, create a file for your model, such as user.js. In the user.js file, import Sequelize and define your model. Use const model datatypes equals require Sequelize to bring in the necessary modules. Next, create a class that extends model. In your class, define your attributes using datatypes. For example, name, datatypes.string for a string attribute, and email, datatypes.string for an email attribute. After defining your model, export it using module.exports. Next, set up migrations by creating a folder named Migrations. Inside the Migrations folder, install the Sequelize CLI if you haven't already. Run npm install savedev Sequelize CLI to get started. Now create a migration file using Sequelize CLI. Run npx Sequelize CLI migration, create name create users in your terminal. This will generate a new migration file in the migrations folder. In the newly created migration file, define the up and down functions. In the up function, use queryInterface.createTable to create a new table. In the down function, use queryInterface.dropTable to drop the table if necessary. Now, navigate back to your model and import Sequelize in your main application file. For example, const Sequelize equals require Sequelize. Create a new Sequelize instance with your database connection details. For PostgreSQL, you can initialize it as new Sequelize, database, username, password, dialect, Postgres. Next, establish the database connection and authenticate it by calling Sequelize.authenticate. Once you've set up your connection, synchronize your models with the database. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.